In this lesson, we will learn how to give short answers in the simple past tense. For example, we can say, yes, I did, or no, she did not. Short answers make our speaking sound more natural and confident when replying to questions about the past. Short answers are quick replies that sound polite and clear. Instead of repeating the whole sentence, we just use yes or no plus the subject and the helping verb. For example, if someone asks, "Did you go to school yesterday?" we can answer, "Yes, I did," or "No, I did not." To make a short answer in the simple past, we use the auxiliary verb did with the subject. We do not repeat the main verb. For example, yes, I did is correct, but yes, I went is incorrect. The pattern is yes or no plus the subject plus did or did not. The auxiliary verb did stays the same with all subjects. Only the subject pronoun changes. For example, did he work yesterday? Yes, he did, or no, he did not. Did they play football? Yes, they did, or no, they did not. Did you see her? Yes, I did, or no, I did not. To form negative short answers, use did not after the subject. Do not repeat the main verb. For example, did she call you yesterday? No, she did not. Did they finish their homework? No, they did not. The pattern stays simple, subject, and did not. Short answers always follow the same question pattern. We use did in the question and again in the answer. For example, did you study English? Yes, I did. Did she watch the movie? No, she did not. Did they enjoy the party? Yes, they did. The question and answer both depend on did. In affirmative short answers, we use yes followed by the subject and did. In negative short answers, we use no followed by the subject and did not. For example, did he eat breakfast? Yes, he did, or no, he did not. Did they help you? Yes, they did, or no, they did not. Now, let us practice speaking short answers. Listen to each question and reply using the simple pattern. Did you read a book yesterday? Did they clean the room? Did she call you last night? Did he play the guitar? Did we finish the homework? Speak your answers aloud using yes or no with did or did not.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.